And to create the perfect joint on the floor covering, you need to lay the boards on top of each other and draw those lines. We cut them and you're done. The perfect joint. To expand the loop of the clamp, use our life hack. Put the free end under the mount and carefully expand it. Take a steel tube, flatten one end and saw it off and grind it. Now, we'll make a hole and the wire loop is ready. Let's hammer a nail and bend it at such an angle. Expose the wire, stretch it into a loop and fix them with a nail. Everything is safe. Take those fasteners, make a hole in it, screw in the bolts with washers and a nut. Now install them on a battery. Fix and insert the plastic pipe. Our dryer is ready. Take a cotton swab and a syringe. Cut off the tips and insert the stick instead of the needle. Now let's drop building foam inside the syringe and get a convenient dispenser for fine work. In addition, this dispenser takes up much less space. Take an empty bottle of dishwashing gel and cut it out like this. With the help of a burner, we'll make such holes in the bottom. Here's such a convenient sponge stand that can be hung directly on the faucet above the sink. Very convenient. Take a steel corner and bend it like this, using the vise. Insert a steel bar and the center and finish the job. A little hammering, and now you can get the rod out. Now take a suitable bolt and nut. We're gonna use the X-Acto knife blade. Insert it inside our corner and fix it with a bolt. With this design, it's very convenient to expose the wires. We just pull the wire through the loop and the blade will do all the work for us. Not enough space in the closet for all of the hangers? It doesn't matter. Take the chain and attach it to the hanger. Now you can hook up other hangers to its links. Cut off a small piece of plastic tube and make 2 holes in it. Now we need a small piece of rope. Cinch the edges and stretch it through the holes in its tube like this. Tie off the loose ends and tuck them inside the tube. Now let's take a coil of wires, wrap them with our device and get a convenient way to store and carry. Now let's take this wooden structure, insert a disassembled can opener into the slot and fix it with a steel arc. Let's install a glass bottle here and see how our glass cutters work. All that's left to do is to heat it up with a hairdryer and then cool it off with cold water. Done! The bottle is divided in 2 parts. From the second time, the cut turned out better. If you try to drive a steel pin into the bottom of the mug, it will crack. But if you First place it in water, then making a hole will not be a problem.